Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. At first, we took a black marker. We draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve to took the line in the middle. Here, we draw another two curved lines. Now, we join this with small curve. Here, we draw a straight line and draw a curve in the last part and join it. Now, our drawing is completed. This is the time to coloring. This is red color. We color the first curve with red color. Red color. This is yellow color. We color the second curve with yellow color. Yellow color. This is green color. We color the third curve with green color. Green color. This is sky blue color. We color the fourth curve with sky blue color. Blue color. This is the handle of the umbrella. This is orange color. We color the handle part with orange F color. Orange color. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.